everyone, welcome to BK's Creations once again, and today's project is a name puzzle. Okay, so this is the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need the sandwich plastic bags, of course, again, like I mentioned in my first video, I'm always gonna use black and red Sharpie, scissors, clear tape, construction paper. Today I chose to use blue, and white paper. Okay, well, the first thing you need to do today, I'm gonna create like I said, a name puzzle. So I'm gonna write the first letter of the child's name in red, and the child's name is called his name is Chimamanda. So I'm gonna start with the letter C, and the rest of the letters are gonna be black. His name is Chimamanda. Okay, after I write his name, I'm going to cut it. Let's hope it fits. Try making it not too big so it could fit on my plastic bag. Let me get this Ziploc bag. Get the clear tape. Sorry, guys. Uh-oh. I'm having trouble getting my tape. And I hope I get it fast because we're recording. I got it. Now, let me get the clear tape. I'm going to tape the name of the student. Fold it in the back if it's too long. And one more piece. Go to the bottom. Okay. Okay, so that's his name, Chimamanda, right? Now let's create the puzzle. I'm gonna get blue construction paper. And what I'm gonna do again, once again, I'm going to write the child's name on the white paper. But this time I'm going to separate the letters, not too far from one another. Because I'm going to get each letter, and I'm going to tape it on the blue construction paper. Try making it small so all the letters can fit. And this, guys, you can use it all year long. I use it at first with their first name, and then eventually they'll grow and they'll start working on their last name. If they get really good on first and last name, I always suggest the parents to keep going. Like, they can do their parents' name. They can do any family member's name. And like that, it'll help the kids identify and recognize letters. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters. And it's fun because it's, they're learning, you're teaching them, but it's not plain boring, and they don't even know that they're being taught the letters of the alphabet. Okay, so now I have his name, Chimamanda, and you see how I'm separating the letters. Chimamanda. Now I'm going to get the clear tape once again. And for those that have been following me since the first video, you will learn that the clear tape, the glue gun, the Sharpie, the black and the red are my friends for the rest of the year. Okay? So now clear tape. And it's too close. I don't want it too close. And I'll show you why in a minute. Uh-oh. I moved the letter C just a little bit. And I'm going to do the back. And there's different ways you can do the name puzzle, guys, okay? But this is something that is effective, like I said, like I mentioned before. Everything that I'm showing you and teaching you guys how to do in the classroom, I've personally done it. And I can personally tell you it works. Everything that I do, it works. Okay? So now that I have the name, I'm going to cut it. And you see how it looks laminated, but it's actually the tape, so it's going to last longer, which that's something that you want, especially with pre-K and kinder. Okay, so now look, this is the reason why I told you to separate the letters between each other. You can cut it and do like zigzags. You can do 1 zigzag line, 2 zigzag line, 3 zigzag lines. It's up to you. See how I'm doing? I'm doing 1, I'm doing 2. This one I'm going to do 3. Oh, sorry. And on this one I'm going to do 2. And now, for the grand finale, let me show you. It becomes a puzzle. You put the letters in front of the child, and of course you're going to put the plastic bag with the name so he or she can follow the order of the letters. So he's going to look for letter C, and then you're going to ask him, okay, where's letter H? And then he's going to look for H and put it together, and you see how it creates a puzzle? Then you're going to ask for the letter I. And you see it creates a puzzle, and then the letter M, and you just keep going until he finally reaches to do his name or her name on their own. When they finish, oh, before I even put the letters up, let me just give you some ideas. Whenever they're putting their name together, you can ask them. This is what I usually do. Because the teachers, they usually say, well, it's just a name puzzle. No, it's not. You can do many activities. For instance, I usually ask them, okay, where is uppercase C? You can teach them the difference between uppercase and lowercase. Remember, uppercase is in red and the rest of the letters, the lowercase letters, are in black. Another thing, you can ask them how many letters are in your name. And they count the letters on their name. Okay? Now, another activity that I like doing with my kids is, okay, whenever they finish putting their name together, ask them, okay, can you point to the letter M? Can you point to the letter H? And they point to the letter. Okay? Well, this is all for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Believe me, it works. You're going to love it for the rest of the school year. Like I said, start with the first name, then you move up to the last name. Okay? Well, thank you guys for joining me. Please drop your comments. I will continue bringing you more activities and more ideas. See you soon. Thank you for joining.